Maximize unused overhead space and keep your garage clean with smart, heavy-duty storage solutions designed for durability and convenience. Best ceiling storage racks offer load capacity, adjustable frames, and installation, helping you organize tools, bins, and seasonal gear efficiently. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. FLEXIMOUNTS Overhead Ceiling Storage Rack. The FLEXIMOUNTS Overhead Ceiling Storage Rack stands out as a premium solution for maximizing unused garage space while maintaining exceptional durability. Designed with a robust steel frame, this rack undergoes rigorous load testing up to 1,200 pounds while safely supporting 750 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty storage needs. Its 4x8-foot platform delivers up to 105 cubic feet of storage, giving you ample room to organize seasonal items, tools, and bulky equipment. The adjustable ceiling drop-down ranging from 22 to 40 inches ensures flexibility, allowing it to fit different ceiling heights and storage preferences. One of its strongest features is the secure mounting system, which uses long ceiling brackets attached to 2 studs along with 6 vertical posts, ensuring structural integrity and stability even under heavy loads. The integrated grid design enhances sturdiness compared to traditional wire decks, while thicker M8 hardware adds to its reliability. This rack is particularly useful for homeowners looking to protect belongings from moisture or flooding by elevating items off the ground. Number 2. Jusgym 750 LBS Ceiling Storage Rack. The Jusgym 750 LBS Ceiling Storage Rack offers a well-balanced combination of user-friendly installation and high-capacity performance, making it an attractive option for homeowners seeking convenience without sacrificing strength. One of its most notable features is the inclusion of pre-installed hooks that hold each panel in place during installation, allowing a single person to complete the setup safely and efficiently. This design significantly reduces installation time compared to traditional racks. Structurally, the rack is reinforced with 9 upgraded support beams, exceeding the typical 5-beam design found in many competitors, which enhances load distribution and prevents bending under heavy weight. With a capacity of 750 pounds and a spacious 4x8-foot platform, it provides up to 105 cubic feet of storage, making it suitable for storing large items like toolboxes, storage bins, or camping gear. The adjustable height feature, ranging from 26 to 40 inches, ensures compatibility with various ceiling configurations while maintaining clearance for vehicles below. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability, and the thoughtful engineering makes it both sturdy and practical. Number 3. StoreYourBoard 700-pound Ceiling Storage Rack. The StoreYourBoard 700-pound ceiling storage rack delivers a strong and versatile storage solution tailored for efficient garage organization. Built with a heavy-duty alloy steel frame, it supports up to 700 pounds, making it reliable for storing a wide range of items, from storage bins to tires and seasonal decorations. Unlike traditional wire shelving, this rack features a flat, squared tubing design that provides enhanced stability and minimizes shifting, ensuring stored items remain secure. Its generous 4x8-foot size creates ample overhead storage space, helping to free up valuable floor area and maintain a cleaner, more organized garage environment. The adjustable height feature, ranging from 20 to 40 inches, allows users to customize the rack according to ceiling height and storage requirements. Installation flexibility is another advantage, as the mounting brackets can align parallel or perpendicular to ceiling joists, accommodating different garage structures. High-quality hardware is included to ensure a solid and secure installation. Overall, this rack offers a balance of durability, adaptability, and storage capacity, making it a practical choice for homeowners looking to optimize overhead space without compromising safety or stability.
Number 4. FLEXIMOUNTS 350 pounds Ceiling Storage Rack. The FLEXIMOUNTS 350 pounds ceiling storage rack introduces a unique lift system that sets it apart from standard fixed racks, offering both convenience and functional design. With its hand crank or power drill compatibility, users can easily raise and lower the rack, eliminating the need for ladders and making access to stored items significantly easier. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who frequently retrieve or store items overhead. The rack supports up to 350 pounds with a tested capacity of 600 pounds, ensuring dependable performance for moderate storage needs. Its dual rope system enhances safety compared to single rope designs, while integrated safety locks prevent accidental movement when the rack is stationary. The 4x4-foot platform provides sufficient space for seasonal items, tools, or storage bins while maintaining a compact footprint. Installation requires a 6x6-foot ceiling area and supports common joist spacing, making it compatible with most garage setups. Built from heavy-duty steel with secure riveted connections, this rack emphasizes durability and reliability.
Number 5. FLEXIMOUNTS 400 pounds ceiling storage rack. The FLEXIMOUNTS 400 pounds ceiling storage rack has a compact yet efficient storage solution designed for smaller spaces or lighter storage requirements. Despite its narrower 4x2-foot design, it still offers up to 52 cubic feet of overhead storage, making it ideal for organizing seasonal items, tools, and miscellaneous gear without taking up excessive ceiling space. Built with a strong steel frame, this rack undergoes rigorous testing up to 800 pounds while maintaining a safe load capacity of 400 pounds, ensuring dependable performance. The adjustable ceiling drop-down between 22 and 40 inches provides flexibility, allowing users to tailor the height according to their garage layout and storage needs. Its stability is enhanced by longer ceiling brackets that attach securely to two joists, delivering improved support compared to standard designs. The integrated grid structure adds to its overall strength, reducing wobble and increasing durability over time. This rack is particularly suitable for homeowners who want a reliable, space-saving overhead storage system without committing to a larger unit. It offers a solid balance of strength, compact design, and practical functionality for everyday garage organization. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon